इंडियन आइडल कि व्हाट इज मदर। मतलब माँ को बनाकर भगवान अब मायूस हो गया। मोहब्बत करना जो भगवान का काम था वो माँ करने लगी, हिफाजत करना भगवान का काम था वो माँ करने लगी, और बरकत देना जो भगवान का काम था वो भी माँ करने लगी। और भगवान इतना मायूस हो गया कि उसकी नजर के सामने कोई और परवरदिगार बन गया। I think this is great message and my namaskar to all mothers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Please.
Mothers Day all on behalf of WRC. Yeah, Poonam, over to you.
A very good evening, everyone, and happy Mother's Day to all. Thank you, Team WIRC, for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to speak on the topic, which is my passion. Here I want to say, first line, health is most important for us. We all know it. We all know it that what is the importance health has for ourselves, but this is the most ignoring fact of our life. Until it does not become a compulsion for us to follow some exercise, some diet, and the doctor is not suggesting us, we are not much bothered about it. So to all my colleagues and professionals, I want a request that the CA is just a part of our life. It's just a one aspect. It's not our whole life, and there are other things to do also. So when I speak these type of things, people say कि yeah, we want to do but we don't have time. Time कहाँ है पूनम हमारे पास में, इतने सारे commitments हैं, family commitments हैं, professional commitments हैं. तो मैं उनको सिर्फ एक बात बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आप देखा ना 1 hour तो अपने आप को, अपनी body को, and see the difference in the 23 hours. You will be more efficient. You will be the more things, doing more things which you were not able to do before. So why health is more important for the women? Because we women are the caregiver to the family, to the kids, and as it's a saying that you can't pour from an empty cup. So when you are not healthy, you are not happy, you are not energetic, what the vibrations you are giving to others? Okay, so being a professional, when we are starting something, we first look for the why we are doing this, why we are giving our time to this. So to decide your why, to start your fitness journey, here are some fitness benefits I am going to share with you, what you will be getting if you are physically active. So the first thing is, once you are physically active, you will be more positive. You will find lot of positive energy around you. And another thing is that there is a study on the depression when the two people are suffering from the depression. So one is on the antidepressant medication and another one is following some physical activities. So for them, physical activity is more helpful for depression rather than the medication. So by this you can understand how much physical activity is important for our mental health also. One more other fact about the physical activity is that we can't control the situation around us. What is happening around us, what is the diseases and viruses are coming, but our health is in our hands, that we can control. We can make ourselves more immune for the diseases, and that we should be doing. And today is the Mother's Day, so the mothers who are listening to this can relate. If you have kids at home, so getting a sleep of 6 or 7 hours is a luxury for us, which somewhere decreases our efficiency and results in the weight gain or some kind of hormonal disbalances also. So to maintain, to balance this, we have to be physical active and also should focus on eating healthy food. When it comes to eating healthy food, there is one fact which changed my perspective for diet. I'm listening something. So that person told कि if you have a car, तो आप उसमें ट्राई करते हो कि बेस्ट टू बेस्ट फ्यूल आप उस कार में डालोगे, उसको सर्विसिंग के लिए टाइमली भेजोगे. लेकिन जब आपकी बॉडी के ऊपर आता है ना, तो आप ना तो उसका टेक केयर कर रहे हो, ना प्रिवेंटिव चेकअप कर रहे हो, और जंक फूड जो कि आपके लिए इतना ज्यादा हार्मफुल है, आपकी बॉडी के लिए, आपके डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के लिए, फिर भी आप वो सब फूड खाते हो. So the car you are taking care of so much, but your body, you are not bothered about it. Quickly, I want to share few tips on the diet. There are a lot of misconceptions about the diet and nutrition and the YouTube knowledge that is not good for us. So instead of that, I would recommend all to read some good books and read good books on the diet and nutrition. I have read many books and understood what is good for me, because we have some professional commitment also, so we can't give too much time for our diet and follow certain kind of diet which dietitians are recommending to eat in every 1 hour. That is not possible for us. Another thing, if it comes to diet, we should learn to say no. If anything is served to us, we are not supposed to eat it. We should decide what we should eat and what we should say no. Maybe starting में थोड़ा सा awkward होगा saying no to others, but slowly and with the time, people will stop offering you unhealthy food, and they will say, she does not eat that food. And develop likes and dislikes for food, that our human mind is capable of doing this. So if you are finding your pleasure in the junk food, you can tell your mind, no, this is not good for me. This is not going to helpful for me in the long run, and it may create some diseases for us. So if you will keep saying this to your mind on continuous intervals, your mind will create a dislike for that food, which I have done already. And when it comes to eating, lot of women do emotional eating also, because of the stress. We eat desserts and all, which is high in calories and which added weight gain to our body. So in this lockdown situation, it is not possible for us to go outside and do running and walk. But what we can do some indoor activities at home and include our kids also in those activities, because of the lockdown, work pressure of women have increased. Sometimes mates are not coming, but the professional commitment you have to fulfill, the family you have to take care. So the small activities at home you can do. You can manage that 15 to 20 minutes of some skipping rope, dancing, doing cardio, which is also kind of exercise. You need not to go only gym or go outside. If you are doing small activities at home only, that will be helpful for the long run.
Yeah.
So with
Poonam,
this, I want to end my session here, and with a request to all, please start doing 15 to 30 minutes of physical activities, and you will feel the difference in your energy levels. Thank you.
Thank you, Poonamji, and sorry for short of time. We are honored to have Dr. Anita Matthew here with us. I request
line which Manoj Pandey spoke on Indian Idol. What is mother?